What is up everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. We're really sorry we haven't vlogged in probably like a month now.
I think it's like 6 or 7 weeks.
Yeah, it's been not that interesting really around here, so we haven't really had much to film. We're still working on the van.
Yeah.
We've still got another project coming, but it's all in the works, isn't it?
We have been filming vlogs, but one of the vlogs is such a big project.
Yeah.
And it's one big video.
It's taking forever.
Video, but that's going to be real good. And the van, we just wanted to get lots done in one video, so that should be up soon. We've gotten quite far. But yeah, there's just not much to do at the moment. It's past April the 12th now. You probably can't tell because I haven't had a haircut yet. I still need
I've been doing his haircut actually.
I know, it's bad at the moment. I need one. But
hey, I thought it was good.
Well, it's gotten long again.
It's okay.
Long. But yeah, there hasn't really been much to film or do. So.
Yeah, but today we thought it'd be a nice day to kind of go out and do something as you're now allowed. Yeah. So we're going to a sanctuary in Kent, right?
Yeah, we're going off to a sanctuary today. Go look at some animals, have some food.
Yeah, play with some animals. I'm so excited to just get out of the house and do something a bit different.
Yeah, and it's quite a nice day for it as well.
Exactly, and this is actually something that's probably worth vlogging, so we thought we'd pick up the camera today. So guys, we have arrived at the retreat sanctuary and I'm just feeding the little piggies. It's their lunchtime and they're just all so cute.
They were all sleeping a second ago.
Yeah, they're all sleeping, sunbathing because it's a really nice day. Look at him!
As soon as the bread comes out.
It's so cute! Funny! Oh my gosh, they're so cute. There's so many of them as well. I love them.
You still got to check it out.
Yeah, I want to, there you go. Sometimes they can't see it.
I know.
Aww. I want to take one home. They're like big dogs. Come on, buddy. There we go.
Oh look, he's coming. 180.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Whoa. You want some? Yeah. Come here.
You don't want the last bit.
Buddy. He doesn't want it. Any takers? Anthony? Any takers? No, bud. Yeah, he's gonna go for it. He's gonna go for it. Yeah. Little ones. So cute. Aren't you pretty?
Vegan, a person who has a crazy idea that animals shouldn't suffer. You know.
He wants the fringe out his eyes so he can see properly. Yeah. Yeah.
There's so much information in all these.
Yeah, it's really good.
Look at me.
There's chicken.
I've not ever got anything.
He just stuck his tongue out at you. So we've got some cowie friends over here.
Yeah. Oh, there's 4 of them.
Yeah, there's 4. There's 3 black ones. Actually, there's more here as well.
Okay.
These were dairy cows, and they actually live up to 25 years. And they've been rescued from the dairy industry, which is so amazing. They're just so sweet. There's a brown one over there as well.
Oh yeah. He's cute.
Little buddies. Apparently their favourite food to eat is bananas. Hello, Angel. Want to stroke the cowie?
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Aren't you sweet? Aren't you sweet? Oh my gosh. So cute.
He's cute.
I can't get over them. So we're just with these little baby cows. You can tell they're like still teenagers.
Yeah.
They're so cute. Especially, well, they're all cute, but I love the white one because the pink lips or like the little pink nose. So cute.
He's just got his head just resting on his bum.
They're like basically spooning.
I know.
Oh, and he's cute as well. He's a bit bigger, but they're all cute.
They're all cute. They're all cute.
Oh, just one. So with this sanctuary, obviously because there's so many people that are coming in and out, it's not really as like personal. You can't actually go in there and like pet them and stuff.
Yeah.
So if you're lucky, you can kind of like get them to come over, but they won't all the time.
They are really cute, but we never actually mentioned recently we went to the Surge Sanctuary, which isn't open yet, which is run by Earthling Ed and his business partner and everyone at Surge. Basically, it's not open yet, but we volunteered there, didn't we?
Yeah, we built a log cabin for their like food supplies and stuff for the animals.
Yeah.
And we got to like hang out with all the animals. There was Paul and Rue, which were baby cows that were only about like 20 days or so.
Oh yeah,
and they were
so
just
small.
so cute.
Like little dogs.
Yeah, we'll put some stories in so you guys can see like all the
So we just sat in there, like it's just sat on the hay and they just like came and slept on you.
They were just so
cute.
Adorable. But yeah, we got to hang out with them and everything, and here it's a bit different, but it's still really
It's just because
nice
there's a lot of people and it's open, it's like a, you know.
It's a public place,
and there's a lot of animals here. But with the Surge Sanctuary, we saw their video, saw they needed cabins.
Yeah.
And my dad, who sells log cabins, we were like, oh, we can probably get them to do some at cost price, we can build them.
Yeah. So it was really nice.
And we had a good
we're
day out
hoping
of it.
to come back and like see all the animals all grown up and everything.
Yeah, well, we'll go back for their opening day soon, hopefully.
Alright guys, so now it's the next day and we don't really know how much footage we got from that, but it was so much fun going to that sanctuary.
We had a great day out, and basically we realised we haven't posted on the vlog channel in 2 months. And we thought we owed you guys an explanation.
Yeah, we feel really bad about it, but at the same time, we haven't really been like up to much apart from just getting stuck in projects that you guys are gonna see eventually.
You are gonna see them, and we told you before that we had this huge project on, and we thought we'd show you a tiny sneak peek.
Just a little snippet.
Just so you can see why we haven't posted in 2 months. We've been working on this project for 3 months now.
It's like engulfed every part of our free time. Like we literally have no free time anymore.
So this project is a full house transformation, every room of a house.
Yes.
I'm not going to take any details.
It's been a long process. We've been working on this for the last 3 months.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, look, I'm in a conservatory with a grass and tiled floor. With
and
a piece
some
of
rubble.
And rubble.
Yeah.
Like, and blocks. And
it's a process. Trust the process.
So just know that we have been working hard. We've been filming every step of the way.
It's been, really, really hard.
Haven't we?
Yeah, we have. And
so
we've had a few stressful days, but it's all gonna be worth it, isn't it?
Do you know what I'm most upset about?
What?
We haven't got to work on the van.
I know, we haven't worked on the van in probably like a month now. Yeah. And it's all just kind of sick, because I've seen some people asking me like on various social medias like, oh, how are you getting on with the van? Like, how's it going? And
can we show them the van real quick?
Well, we could do, yeah.
Oh, but it will give away what we've done. A little bit.
We'll show a little bit.
A little bit, come on. But the reason we haven't been working on the van much is because, I mean, like there's carpet, but
there's cement, there's a bathtub. It's actually just been a means of transporting all the things that we need for the house.
Yeah. But I don't want to show too much of the van. I've zoomed right into your face.
Okay, well, let's go back in the house, and you guys are just gonna have to wait to see an update on the van.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that is our little life update. We're still alive. We're still here.
Still busy working.
Yeah.
Still got filthy hands from all our DIYs.
Yes, as always. And another thing you guys have also been asking about is, when is the wedding? Is it still happening? Like, what's going on? Yeah. We've actually decided to cancel it for this year because I just don't think it's really foreseeable or doable at all.
We hadn't really decided. Bali's I mean, they're not going to let us in.
No, they won't let us in, I don't think. Bali have opened up borders for tourists, or they will, for this year. However, they have set up like this thing called the green zones, which we don't really want to like.
It's just too high risk.
Yeah, it's too high risk.
Just put it off for another year. It's not a big deal. We'll just do it next year.
Also, we don't know when we'll be entitled to get our vaccination. I think you can't actually go without a vaccination too, so.
Yeah, I can't remember on that, but we'll be last. We'll be something like July probably. Yeah.
So we'd rather just wait till next year and just have a perfect time away with everyone and
like why add more layers of stress?
Exactly.
It's fine.
We're not in a rush either way. Like, we know we're gonna get married. So.
I think we've been engaged for 3 years now.
I know.
Was it 2?
I've always said we were gonna have a long engagement, didn't I?
I know.
I've foreseen it.
You did. Sorry, it's quite echoey in here actually. I just noticed it's really
it
echoey.
should be alright. Should be alright. But yeah, that's our little life update. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, even though it's not really much. But you know, we just felt bad not really uploading.
Yeah, it's been a while. We will get back to our schedule. This house has just consumed us.
But hopefully it'll be worth it. Like, we've documented so much, and you guys are gonna see it. Hopefully next month, maybe.
You'll see it. The amount of DIY in this video.
Oh my god.
So much.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll leave it here then.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, see you guys. Bye.